Hi everybody, in this video I want to show how you can clean the headlight from inside. I already removed it and clean it. It was very dirty. Wash it in powder with warm water. First I took it apart in pots. Remove the lens of the headlamp, wash it from the dirt. But first you need to remove this. After I remove the lens of the headlamp, it's on a clips. Then wash it everything here, and also the reflector of the mirror of the headlight. If it's damaged, it can be replaced. It's here on a clips and scraps. This clips and this scraps. Oh, now we heat of the headlight for drying. The lens of the headlight, I polish it with toothpaste, both from inside and from the outside. This inside. And that's what happened at the end. The headlights were yellow and dull. Now they are much brighter and lighter. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and like.